page 399 in your math book. Thank you for coming in quickly. Easy.
Oh, it's right here.
All right. Thank you for ignoring the hallway. So you'll need your social studies materials for after math is finished. I'll sell snack once I get you started. Page 399. Try number 1 by yourself. Page 399, number 1. So here's a reminder of the coordinate plane. Hopefully that should help you as you look at number 1. Again, I will sell snack in just a second once I get you going.
Just go home. What number?
All right, so for number 1, R. Where is R located?
Quadrant 1.
Quadrant 1, and what are its coordinates? 2, 2. It has an x2, a y2. So you literally, so everybody look up here. You literally go from the origin every single time. I'm going to go on the x-axis first. Once I find that point, then I go on the y-axis to find my final destination, right? Okay, so Izzy, you said I start at the origin, and I go over 2 for my x. I go positive 2, which is up for my y, and I'm at this point. Is that where R is located in your book?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Hey, Lincoln. All right. So that's correct. So since you're so smart, Izzy, what's this one?
That would be.
You can come up if you need to. Yep, you may. How are you gonna sit over there? It's not gonna be on that. Goober. So you go. Careful. It's over 5. It's down 4. So what is it? None of that.
-4.
Nope.
-5.
Yes. -5, -4. -5, -4. Because he went from the origin backwards 5, I moved my stick, and down 4, right? So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ashley, question.
How do you know which way to go first? Like,
So you always travel horizontally for X,
oh right.
and then you always then go up and down for Y. So those two, so Ashley, the first number is your X coordinate, the second one is your Y, and you follow your X, then go to the Y, and that's your answer. That's your location. That's the location. All right, let's see here. Fred, you get the next one. It says, where is G located? And in what quadrant?
5, 2, 5, 2, and a quadrant.
So I'm going to back you up.
It's
Not sure if I get you. 5, 2?
and quadrant 1.
Okay, I'm going to go with quadrant 1, but tell me the coordinates again.
2, 5.
2, 5. That's correct. Okay, so Fred, is this right? -2, +5. No. +2, +5. G, right? Okay. G for great. All right, 3. Number 3. Brains. B for brains. Get it? Yeah. -4, +2. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. -4, +2. I need everybody tuned in. I'm scanning the room. Not everybody's tuned in. I also am carrying the stick.
Oh,
All right.
yes, sir.
So, quadrant 2. Quadrant 2, right? Okay.
He's gonna whoop us.
So what about number 4? Number 4. Jayla. What quadrant? Okay. So I'm at the origin. Do I go left or right? Do I go down or up? Down. All right. So it's left or right, then it's up or down. Now, I sometimes see kids that will put the first one and then they try to count the next one from there. You always count from the origin. You always start at the origin. Okay? Always. All right. So, homework, which we're going to knock out right now, is page 399, 1 through 13, and on page 400, number 14. So, 1 through 14. So, here are the directions. I will call you to come get snack once I go to the Life School account. You're knocking out your math right now. No option to do anything but your math right now so that it's finished. Then you need out on your desk your social studies materials. Now, it says up there Egypt tests. So, 2 things need to happen. One is we're going to do our Israel work now at 12:15. You're going to work on studying for your Egypt test before we give them. And then we will start giving them, if you're ready, this afternoon. Because I didn't realize you didn't have access to see the slides last night. So they're there now. And I sent you a picture of what it looks like just a second ago. So I'm going to give you some time to look at the slides now before we give the tests. So finish your math. Go to the slides. Study your notes. You can even go do your tech task where you put in your notes on the tech task. So wouldn't it make more sense to do those things before you took the test? Because they would help you with the test, right? Okay. Now, so Zamara and Nathaniel, since you weren't here, all the videos of the sessions are on the YouTube page. Also, all the slides are on there for you to look at. I want you to do the best you can to look at them and look through them. And if you don't get everything, I'll understand that you weren't here, but all the presentations are on the website. Okay? Are on YouTube for you to see. All right? So repeat back the directions, Natalia. What's everyone doing right now?
Doing their math homework.
So can you be working on red period right now? No. Why? Because I said. Right? No, because I want you to finish your math right now while it's fresh in your mind. Also, that way you don't have to carry the book home, and that also a way that I know you don't forget to do it. Then what do you do next, Fred, after you finish your math homework? Because that should take you like 2.5 minutes. Then what's next, Fred?
For the absent people, they can.
No, for everybody.
For everybody, they can look at the tech test that you did for them.
Okay. So
Or
the
the
tech
notes
task.
that they,
So you can go ahead and do your tech task for tonight, which is taking your physical notes and putting your top 5 of each group.
or go over the notes that they have for the test.
Okay. Then you can go to the website, look at their slides if you need to refresh yourself as well. Can you look at those slides to do the tech task? Yes. Okay. Yeah. So to get to it, if you will go to flyparsons.com and you click on the Express link, the first link of that page, which takes you to flyparsons.info, and then click on Social Studies, and you'll see all of the 8 teams, plus the link to the YouTube page on there. All right? Any questions about that? All right. So, as I call your name, as I call your name, yes, as I call your name, you'll raise your hand if you are buying a snack. And let me get this on the right page. Okay, why are your hands up? So your hands are up because my question is going to be who wants extra homework?
Just kidding. No, please. Do
Just
not
kidding, just kidding.
murder me.
All right, if you are buying, I'll wait. If you're buying a large, may raise your hand. Chloe, you don't have enough. Kidding. Okay, Chloe. Betty. Table 6 people. Izzy, what you working on? Well, I'm waiting for you. Get busy. Then I'll call you. Okay? Izzy, are you getting a large? Okay. Then what were you doing? Okay, Ashley. Michaela. I'm sorry, Michaela, you don't have enough points. Snacks are now 500 points. Oh, she still has enough.
Oh!
Boom. Okay, Nathaniel. Natalia. Okay, hey guys, remember. Okay, I don't need people shushing people. I need everybody doing your thing. Finishing your math homework. Hey, Liam, you already finished your math? Good, awesome. All right, Jayla. Okay, last reminder of what I asked you to do. Kylie. Thank you. Josiah. Zamira. Liam. You're buying a small. James.
Yay.
Mason. Angelo. Fallon. Imani. Izzy. Lincoln. Melis. Anyone else? Finish with math. Finish with math. We may not get to the Moby Max, so just hold off.
Mr. P, I know you just said that, but it won't let me log into Moby Max, it says.
it probably didn't have you in the right spot. Okay, go to the top. Tap on the social studies. I can't see. Tap on the social studies. So I just thought on your mobile version of the Weebly page where the social studies is, it's going to be the little hamburger icon at the top. You go 3 little lines, tap and drag down to the one that says social studies. The very top corner, the little drop down. No, the little drop down at the very top. All the way to the top. No, all the way to the top. That. Yeah. It says- Because you're on the mobile version, so it will look slightly different. Okay, what's this? So again, when you go to flyparsons.com and you click on the info, which is the first link, it's the one that says Fly Parsons Express. We get straight to it. It's that web page, and then on there, from the menu at the top, drop down to social studies. The drop down menu at the top will take you there. You may go get some water. And then drop down. Drop down. Social studies. Again, if you've not found the social studies, raise your hand and I'll walk you there. You may go get water. Come in, Michaela. You may. Drop down the SS. Again, on the mobile side, it's going to be the little thing at the far top left that's got 3 little lines, the drop down menu. That's where you find the SS. Either way, whichever you want to do. It's fine. You're welcome to come up here if you want. What you doing? Are you studying or your notes? Okay, I thought you were studying. Also, so, social studies, location. So when that happens, you bring your stuff and get a student. Okay, so regardless if you have been there yet or not, Izzy, will you flip that to Apple TV? Okay, so if you'll look up at the screen for just a moment, please. Okay, so that's the flyparsons.com. All right, it's not all the way loaded. But do you see how there's 213? The first one says click here to go to the express version of everything. The second one is flyparsons.org. The third one is the whole old flyparsons.com. Okay, so you always are you're going to want to hit the first one. It says flyparsons.com express. Okay. When you get here, I'm showing you on my iPad because it is different than it would be on the. Oh no, it's not. So on mine, it's showing the drop downs up here. Okay, you see where I see more, and I see all the drop downs. And I'm going to go to social studies. Come on, man. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I think it's just loading. Okay, see how it drops down? Everybody see that? Fred, you see that? James? Hit the SS, right? And then there are the links to the pages. There's table 1. Or excuse me, Egypt team 1. And of course, maybe tomorrow it will be loaded. But that's where it is. Okay. Now, on your mobile version, what browser are you all using?
I use Chrome. Safari.
Okay, so this was Safari. They showed the desktop version on the Safari, but on Chrome it's showing you the mobile version. And on the mobile version, the drop downs are that little top corner, the 3 lines. That's called the hamburger, by the way. Google named that the hamburger. And the 3 dots are called the snowman. But that's where you get to them, right? Okay. And the 9th box that says Egypt, that's the YouTube page with the videos of the presentations. Okay, so the 9th box that says Egypt is where your videos are. On there. Okay, so are you working, Kimani?
Yeah.
Really? Yes.
Well, we, I took the photo on it and put those in all the things they found.
Oh, now there it is. You see in the top, corner up there? While I've got it captured, watch. Do y'all see right there? That's the hamburger. That's the drop down on the mobile version. See? I captured it. Hamburger is captured. Drop down hamburger. Coming. Oh, the slide should all be the same. I meant having the drop down, hamburger drop down on the main page. It was different. Like on you all, you were keeping the hamburger. Like, see, look, on mine, it's no hamburger, and when I turn that way, I get the hamburger. The top 4 ones, that's the drop. And that's going to be always the case, guys, on desktop versions versus mobile versions. like on a phone or an iPad. I guess it's on my iPad. If it's this way, it's mobile version. If I turn it this way, it turns into desktop version. With the menu along the just written out versus the desktop to the mobile. Because when I publish it, I have to say on the desktop version, make it do this. On the mobile version, make it do this. So yeah. Ashley, is your math finished?